In this class, we are going to see AP Set 2020 Paper 1. Important higher education body in India. From this part, you will get at least 3 question answers. So, carefully listen and don't skip this video. The first one is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. NAAC. The abbreviation is National Assessment and Accreditation Council. Second one, you can see National Board of Accreditation. National Board of Accreditation, NBA. Third one, University Grant Commission, UGC. University Grant Commission. Fourth one, National Council of Educational Research. National Council of Educational Research and Training. NCERT. NCERT, the abbreviation is. And fifth important higher education body in India is Central Board of Secondary Education. Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE. And sixth one, if you see, the Council of Indian School Certificate Examination. Council of Indian School Certificate Examination, CISCE. So this is sixth part. Seventh part, if you see, National Institute of Open Schooling. National Institute of Open Schooling, NIOS. NIOS. Next, if you see the eighth one, National Council for Teacher Education. National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE. And the ninth one is All India Council of Technical Education. All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE. 10th one, Council for Agriculture Research. Council for Agriculture Research, ICAR. The abbreviation is ICAR. The 11th one, All India Management Association. All India Management Association, AIMA. AIMA. 12th one, Bar Council of India. Bar Council of India, BCI. 13th one, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CAC. CDAC. Center for Development of Advanced Computing. 14th one, Central Hindi Directorate. Central Hindi Directorate, CHD. 15th one, Central Institute of Educational Technology. Central Institute of Educational Technology, CIET. Central Institute of Educational Technology. So these are the 15 abbreviations, and you can see the next one in the next part.